Hello everyone, this is a chemistry class 11, chapter 3, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. We pass through including topic, atomic radius, long form of periodic table, and today I discuss next ionization, enthalpy, ionization, enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy is also known as ionization potential. Ionization potential. So here ionization enthalpy is known as ionization potential, are also known as ionization energy. Ionization energy. So here ionization enthalpy is also known as ionization potential, is also known as ionization energy. It is represented by delta I H R I P R I E. Again repeat. Ionization enthalpy is represented by delta I H or I P or I E. Here, do you know everyone? This is nucleus, and nucleus contains neutron and proton and surrounded by circular path. Is known as orbit or cell. Here n is equal to 1, here n is equal to 2, and here n is equal to 3. First cell is represented by capital K, second cell is represented by capital L, and third cell is represented by capital M. Here outermost cell is known as valence cell, and the number of electrons present in valence cell, that electron is known as valence electron. And here inner cell are core cell. Here inner cell are core cell. Core cell are inner cell. Here again repeat. Here nucleus contains neutron and proton and surrounded by circular path. This is known as orbit or cell. And here outermost cell is known as valence cell, and inner cell is known as core cell. Here first cell is represented by capital K, second cell is represented by L, and third is capital M. Here first cell, number of electron according to formula 2n square, means first cell 2 electron contain. And ionization enthalpy, the minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an isolated gaseous atom to form gaseous cation is called its ionization enthalpy. Again repeat, the minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an isolated gaseous atom to form gaseous cation is called as ionization enthalpy. Here, the minimum amount of energy, the minimum amount of energy, the minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from a gaseous atom to form gaseous cation is called ionization enthalpy or ionization potential or ionization energy. Here in this case, in this case, here suppose that M, that is gaseous state, converted into gaseous cation and needed energy to form cation plus electron. Here gaseous atom converted into gaseous cation and needed of some energy. That energy is known as ionization enthalpy or ionization potential. Here suppose that removal of first electron. Suppose that removal of first electron, in this case delta I H1 means first ionization enthalpy, and here M plus, that is G, means gaseous state here, and again M plus, that gaseous state here, delta I H2 means second ionization enthalpy. Here first, here second ionization enthalpy, and here converted into double plus charge, and here M double plus charge gaseous state converted into M3 plus charge, that is gaseous state, and it is known as delta I H3. Here first ionization enthalpy is represented by delta I H1, second ionization enthalpy is represented by delta I H2, and third ionization enthalpy delta I H3. In case of first, second, third ionization enthalpy, delta I H3 is greater than delta I H2 is greater than delta I H1, means third ionization enthalpy is largest and first ionization enthalpy is lowest, because after the removal of one electron from the neutral gaseous atom, a cation is formed. This cation has one electron less than the proton. Thus, the effective nuclear charge is increased. Electrons are attracted towards the nucleus by greater force. It becomes difficult to remove the electron from the cation. Therefore, ionization energy required, second ionization enthalpy to remove another electron from the cation is higher than that of its first ionization enthalpy. Unit of ionization enthalpy. Unit of ionization enthalpy, unit of ionization enthalpy, kilojoule per mole, kilojoule per mole. It is unit of ionization enthalpy. Again repeat, unit of ionization enthalpy, unit of ionization enthalpy, kilojoule per mole. Next is factors on which ionization energy depends. Factors on which ionization energy depends. Like first, size of the atom. Like first, size of the atom. Second, electronic configuration of atom. Electronic configuration of atom. And third one is penetration effect of electrons. Penetration effect of electrons. Here, ionization enthalpy depends upon following factors like size of the atom, second, electronic configuration, of atom, and penetration effect of electrons. Here, ionization enthalpy depends upon following factors like size of the atom, electronic configuration of atom, and penetration effect of electrons. First, size of the atom. As the size of the atom increases on going down a group, the electrons of the outermost orbit are attracted towards the nucleus by lesser force. Again repeat, as the size of the atom increases on going down a group, the electrons of the outermost orbit are attracted towards the nucleus by lesser force. Therefore, it becomes easy to remove the most loosely bound electron from the atom. That is, ionization energy decreases with the increase in atomic size. Ionization enthalpies of alkali metals decreases on going down the group. It is due to increase in their atomic size. Here, ionization energies or ionization potential of alkali metals decreases on going down the group. It is due to increase in their atomic size. Again repeat, ionization potential of alkali metals decreases on going down the group. It is due to increase in their atomic size. Next is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. It has been found that certain electronic configurations are more stable. like atoms and ions having stable inert gas configuration have high ionization enthalpy. In a period, an inert gas has highest ionization enthalpy due to its stable inert gas configuration. Means completely filled. Second, first ionization enthalpy of nitrogen atom is higher than that of oxygen atom. It is because in nitrogen atom electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, p orbitals are half filled. It is more stable configuration. So in this case of electronic configuration, here like example is nitrogen and oxygen, atomic number of nitrogen 7 and atomic number of oxygen 8, and electronic configuration according to Abound principle 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, and here 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. In this case, nitrogen contain half filled. Here p orbital, suppose that p orbital is made up of px, py and pz. So first electron, second and third electron, and here first, second, third and fourth electron. In this case, half filled is more stable. Here in this case, nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen is the most ionization enthalpy because they half filled. So in this case of half filled or fully filled, orbitals are most stable. Third, penetration effect of electrons. Penetration effect of electrons for the same principal energy level. For the same principal energy level, S electron remain closer to the nucleus than do the P, D or F electron. Thus, S electrons are attracted towards the nucleus by greater force than the P, D or F electrons. Therefore, ionization enthalpy for removing the S electron is maximum and it decreases in the order. Here S is greater than P, D and F. This sequence if the penetration effect of the electron is more, if the penetration effect of the electron is more, it will be closer to the nucleus and is held more firmly by the nucleus. This results in high ionization enthalpy. Here, variation across a period. Variation across a period and group. Variation across a period. Here, ionization enthalpy increases with increase in atomic number in a period. Ionization enthalpy increases with increase in atomic number in a period, but few exceptions. Like first exception already discussed. Nitrogen has stable are most ionization enthalpy comparison of oxygen, because nitrogen has half filled. In case of half filled, ionization enthalpy increases. Second exception, here oxygen. Second exception, magnesium has higher ionization enthalpy compared than ammonium. Magnesium is higher ionization enthalpy compared than ammonium. Variation across a group. Here ionization enthalpy decreases with the increase in atomic number. Again repeat, ionization enthalpy decreases with the increase in atomic number. In this case, on moving down the group, the number of inner shell electron increases. Again repeat, on moving down the group, the number of inner shell electrons increases. These inner shell electrons increases the shielding effect. Electrons of the outermost orbit are attracted towards the nucleus by lesser force. Therefore, ionization enthalpy decreases in group. So, here ionization enthalpy variation across a group. Here ionization enthalpy decreases with the increase in atomic number, and in period, again repeat, in a period ionization enthalpy increases. Ionization enthalpy increases with the atomic, with the increase in atomic number. But some exception, like already discussed. Thank you.